Hi, art teachers.
Hey, art teachers.
Hey, art teachers.
Hey, art teachers.
Hi, art teachers.
Welcome to the Art of Education,
Where we tell you some tips, tricks, and hacks,
And show you
behind the scenes confessions, and the reality of being an art teacher.
Kind of feels like chaos.
chaos.
Many of you might experience this.
Everything is everywhere all at once.
So how many of us have gone through the same thing?
I feel you. I get it. This is real life.
Sometimes teaching is hard. It's exhausting.
we're going to take a peek into a variety of art rooms.
Welcome to my studio classroom.
This place is a dream.
So come on in and I'll show you my room.
We'll give you our best tips and tricks.
And how to teach some of our favorite artists.
To get your students engaged and excited about taking classes.
All the way through the setup, the actual instruction, the cleanup, the breakdown, and everything in between.
So you can work smarter, not harder.
Our teachers can do anything.
Stay tuned. It's going to be really fun.
It's about to go down.
If you haven't done so,
Make sure you're subscribed and you have your notifications turned on to follow along on our journey.
Are you ready? Let's go.
And go.
Bye.
I'm having too much fun with this chair. Goodbye.
Hey, what are you still doing here?
It's time to go. You have to leave, all right?
Shoot. You can come back anytime, just, not during my lunch period.